friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's plan with me is voiced over because it was super sleepy day, and if you saw the sticker haul video, you'll understand why I chose to voice over on this one. Yeah, it was just one of those times where I needed a, quiet planning day. So I am using the spring kit from CoffeePlannerMom, and of course I had to use the April showers Bring May Flowers quote at the bottom. And currently I am still retiming my hourly planner. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kinda jonesing for a regular vertical planner. I also decided that instead of black for the times, since there are so many pretty colors in this kit, I would go with this kind of aqua color. I will say the whiteout tape and Papermate Flare pens don't really like each other, but that's okay. This is another week where I do have some appointments and things on sticky notes, but not too much is going on. I find more is going on during my school day than actually after school. But I knew I wanted to use the weekend banner and use these flower deco stickers. The one thing I didn't think about was the date covers. I kind of wish I would have done the date covers first, but it turns out looking just kind of like the flowers are falling out from under the date cover, so it totally works. And I'm actually using the new releases sticker that is on the $25 freebie from CoffeePlannerMom because she has new releases coming out the 30th. And there are 3 kits and they are super cute. Make sure you check out my Instagram for a sneak peek or go straight to the source and go to CoffeePlannerMom's Instagram so that you can see all of the fun things. We've got our meal planning in the corner there with the nice stripy yellow and green. Always a good thing. I'm trying to get better at my meal planning. I should say the meals aren't really the problem. It's more like the snacks in between the meals. Sharpie has a hair appointment, so pot of cure sticker for sure. I also have a hair appointment this week, but it would be pretty silly if I used the pot of cure one for that. Not that I wouldn't. I probably would. And an appointment on Friday for my dad, but this is one of the first times I don't have to take off work for it. So that's nice, but I do want to remember to check in on them that day. So he's been having to start new allergy shots, and it seems to be working. So woohoo! Using some bullet points to mark off a couple different reminders. This has a lot to do with lunch prep, so I remember to pack lunches accordingly. So putting some of these full boxes down just to give it a little extra, I don't know, pop, I guess. And they just look so pretty. Like the paintbrush strokes on the grass sticker is just, it's great. Getting my chore sticker down, I usually put my chore sticker on Saturday, but it seemed to, the page was just getting a little clunky. And I technically do chores Saturday and Sunday. So this is for my zone cleaning, and since we'll be at the beginning of April, we'll be back to zone 1, which is all of the bathrooms and such. So technically, this week would also be zone 5, but my zone 5 are the guest bedrooms, and I've been kind of slowly working on them all month anyway, like added here and there, so I'm not really concerned about it. My stickers are becoming a mess, guys. I gotta get back in to like rearrange them and all that. So, but all is well. Just adding a few more things, a couple quotes here and there, and that'll do it for this spread. If you haven't checked out Coffee Planner Mom and you're interested, you can use my code Holly15 to get 15% off. That'll be in the description below. And if you liked this video, I hope you hit the like button. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all in the next one.